when we newly bought this house, it was total mess. The basement was super. So what I did was to look around and ask for how the cost of building a renovating a basement, and the list that I found was $45,000, and I'm going to get a loan. And I realized that wow. Then I made up my mind that I'm going to bring this idea. That I'm going to do it myself. So I first thing in engineering, I studied mechanical engineering, my background, and the first thing we always do is to bring idea into reality. So I bring it into a blueprint. So I use a pen and a paper to sketch what I want exactly want my business to be. And the next thing is to bring my MBA idea, that's on accounting managerial idea. So I do the accurate costing. I did several costing from Home Depot and other counterpart. So I eventually go for Home Depot. Home Depot have everything that I needed. So the next thing is to bring also my project management idea from starting date to end date. I ensure that I include the logistic, the delivery date, and other factor that could come in into the during the working process and the delivery date and all. I ensure that all these things are included in my the start date and the end date. So the next phase is for me to embark in the work. So I gradually started from the structure. I building the structure, erected the structure, and after the structure, I have to insulate the installation. So I did the installation aspect also. The next step is for me to put the drywall, and the next after drywall is for to me to ensure that I do the ceiling also. I did the ceiling, put I use drywall for the ceiling, and the next thing is for me to ensure that I use the accurate flooring and the flooring also. The next is I did painting before the flooring, which I don't want to start cleaning again, and all this cost me $2,000, Canadian dollars, $2,000. That still enable me to have more material